Hi, this is Alan Ackles. Welcome to Manufacturing Marvels. Today we're in Hiawatha, Iowa, and home of the Johnson Gas Appliance Company. For over a century, Johnson Gas Appliance Company has been a leader in gas technologies. Their industrial furnaces division manufactures heat treating, metal melting, and soldering furnaces for industry and school shops. Their industrial division also manufactures CO2 generators that help you maximize growth and profits and automatically provide an ideal carbon dioxide level when plants need it most, year-round, to maximize plant growth efficiently and economically. At the heart of the company is Johnson's Mendota Hearth division. They offer the most customizable luxury fireplaces made in the USA. Whether you are building your home or adding a new addition or even remodeling an existing fireplace, you will want a Mendota gas fireplace or fireplace insert. Mendota gas fireplaces and inserts are cleaner and more convenient than wood-burning fireplaces, while offering an entrancing, authentic fire that creates a cozy, sophisticated atmosphere in your home. Whatever you need, know that with Mendota, you are getting unprecedented luxury, craftsmanship, and efficiency. And the most recent addition to the lineup is Johnson's Net Zero Electric Fireplace division, geared toward consumers looking for a real fireplace with the ease of an electric appliance. With patented technology, Net Zero manufactures the more realistic holographic fireplace on the market, and the only electric fireplace manufactured in the USA. Visit them at johnsongas.com. This is Alan Ackles for Manufacturing Marvels.